So in this video, we are going to talk about the knee spin. We're going to do the Sidewinder. So the previous videos we did chest circle with it, and we've also done undulations with it. We're going to do Sidewinder with it. So the knee spin is a signature move of mine that I use in treble from a trap, which is my style treble fusion. If you have no idea what the hell I'm talking about, check out previous videos and also look up treble from a trap on YouTube, on the website as well, treblefromatrap.com. And there's lots of awesome music that you probably like. All the music I use is by those guys. So, bend the knees, and we're going to start off with the arms. So there's a previous videos in this series. This is a Sidewinder video. So I'm not going to spend any time breaking it down because you can learn it already. But the arm's going to come up and up. We're going to keep it quite big. So I'm going to go to my right, might be to your left. And we're going to do one per knee spin. So it's right knee, left knee, right knee, right knee, left knee, right knee, right knee, left knee, right knee. Okay? And then you're going to try and get a little bit of chest in. So the key when you're doing layering is not to do too much. As in, like, you can, but you need to know like what degrees of how big this is and how small this is and how much this is and how much that is, because otherwise you can just look a bit crazy. So it's about finding the right percentage, if you like, of the movement, how much you're going to give each part of the movement for it to look nice, or not enough, or too much. So it's finding the balance, which we speak a lot about in my school as well, actually. Anyway, so let's do it with the knee spin. So just quickly go over the knee spin. We're going to go to the right, maybe it's your left, and then spin, open, close, put the back heel down, open, close. Remember, the knees and the toes have to face the side, not forward. That's not what it is. Close it. One, close it. Two, close it. So get your knees going. I have so many variations of this that I do with my students in my classes as well. If you want to learn properly, do my online classes if you can't come to my classes in person, because it's the exact classes that I teach. So you get to learn with us week by week and progress with us from one week to the next. We do drills, techniques, combinations, choreographies, all sorts of stuff. Okay, so we are now going to do it with the arms. So if I go to my right knee opens, I'm going to go on my right, my left knee opens, I'm going to go on my left. Remember all the technique we spoke about for Sidewinder, and then throw some of it out the window to make it work with the movement, okay? So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then arms. How much you use your chest and your body is kind of up to you, actually. Play around with it. What works for you? What works for your body? What works for your brain? What can you handle? Okay, so we did, the previous videos we did chest circles and undulations, and now we're doing Sidewinder. So let's put them together. So we'll do chest circles before, camels before, undulations, camels, same thing, and Sidewinds before. Okay, so one of my most favorite tracks, actually. Yeah, Pray For Me by Treble from a Trap. Treble from a Trap. Anyway, let's go. So chest circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 undulations. 1, 2, 3. Sidewind. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it one more time. Stylize it how you want. 2, 3, 4. Undulation. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes! Okay, so here we have it. That's the knee spin with a variety of stylizations. There's loads more that I do, but that's enough. If you want to learn more, come to my classes. Or go online with BellyDance.com. And thank you for watching, and if you like it, please let me know, and also put any comments in the comment section below if you've got any special requests. I'd love to hear it. Okay, thank you, bye.